Hello and welcome to this video series on web design. In this first video, I'll take you through the basic structure of an HTML page. So if you intend to build an HTML document like this one, an HTML website like this one, I'll show you what you need to put on the HTML page and how you structure the document. So I'll bring up my IDE here. IDE simply means Integrated Development Environment. You don't need a sophisticated IDE for these. You could use a basic Notepad on a Windows computer or Notepad++. I like using an integrated environment because it just helps you with some of the tasks. So without too much talk, let's go ahead and look at what is required to create a basic web page. I have an HTML document here. You can see inside this code folder, I have an HTML document. It's an index.html. The first part of the name does not matter. It could be anything. What's most important here is the extension, which is .html. And the first thing I want to put in my document is a doc type declaration, which just says that this type of document is an HTML document, nothing more. It's really not part of the HTML page definition, but it defines what type of document we're working with. So I'll start defining my HTML components here. And the first thing you want in an HTML document is the HTML tag with an optional language attribute, which tells your browser what language this page is defined in, this document is defined in. And the next thing you want to put inside, or the first thing you want to put inside your HTML tag is a head. You have the head tag. Now notice I started with an opening HTML and a closing HTML tag, and I'm doing an opening head tag and a closing head tag, and just below that I'm going to put a body tag. Body. So I'll take this one off. So inside my HTML tag, I have two nested tags, which is the head and the body. And these two sections, or these two tags, have different roles. I'll start by the header. I'll put in another tag here, meta, and I would say car set UTF it. Close that. And then I'll go ahead and put in one last one in the header, and I call it title. And I'll say the title of this page is my first web page. Now, when you put things in the header, this is actually not what is seen on the page. The header mostly contains information, metadata, that tells your browser what to do with this page. For example, I'm saying my encoding is UTF-8. I'm saying the title of this page is my first web page. So if I open up this page, you actually not see anything on the page except for these in the title. That's why it's in the header. So I would go ahead and open up the page. So you see, this is the page here. And it's completely blank, but notice at the top here, we have my first web page, which is the title I specified inside the header. Now, if I want something in the body of the tag, so if I want something to display inside the page itself, I need to put that in the body. And I'm going to go ahead and say I'll put a level 1 header here, and I'll say this is my first web page. Go ahead and add another tag, paragraph tag, and I would say I might actually enjoy these. I'll save that, and if I refresh my page, now you see that I have some content displayed on the page. So to recap, the basic structure of an HTML page comprises of a parent tag, which is the HTML tag, and then you have the header and the body. And what you define in the header simply instructs the browser on how to deal with that page, and the body contains the actual content that is displayed on the page. And that's it, nothing more. It's that simple. So I'll just show you the page again, and there we have it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next series.